What pops into your head when you think exotic? Maybe it's the vision of pristine beaches, swaying palm trees, and the beautiful sight of turtles and whale sharks gliding through clear waters. Or perhaps it's the mystery of a lush tropical jungle, where nature thrives undisturbed by human hands. But there's so much more to discover beyond the obvious. From mesmerizing sinkholes hidden beneath the ocean's surface, to majestic forests of bamboo and otherworldly landscapes shaped by volcanic activity, the world is filled with wonders waiting for you to explore. Here at TrailTrove, we're always on the lookout for new adventures to add to your bucket list, and we want to hear about yours too. Have you ever dreamt of visiting Japan, getting lost in the vibrant markets of Morocco, or experiencing the tranquility of Fiji's islands? Share your thoughts with us below, and let's uncover which exotic destination deserves a spot on your bucket list. Tahiti, Fiji. No list of dreamy vacation spots is complete without mentioning Fiji. Tahiti, one of the 300 islands in this South Pacific archipelago, promises serene isolation amidst breathtaking natural beauty and a warm local culture. The surrounding waters teem with vibrant soft corals, illuminating the underwater world that's home to an abundance of marine life, including fish, turtles, sharks, and whales. It's a diver's paradise and an ideal destination for an unforgettable exotic getaway. Adam's Peak, Sri Lanka. A majestic natural wonder, Adam's Peak stands as a revered pilgrimage site in Sri Lanka and an enticing spot for your next exotic adventure. Hike up this iconic conical peak and feel like you're towering above the clouds, taking in sweeping vistas of Sri Lanka's picturesque landscapes, with its lush lowlands and verdant forests. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option for those seeking an exotic vacation experience. El Yunque Rainforest, Puerto Rico. Adding to the appeal of exotic travel destinations is El Yunque Rainforest, the sole tropical rainforest in the United States. Encompassing over 28,000 acres and receiving more than 200 inches of rainfall annually, this lush paradise is renowned for its rich biodiversity. Explore its verdant trails to encounter the enchanting sights of spotted tree frogs and exotic flora and fauna, immersing yourself in the wonders of nature's tropical bounty. Have you had the chance to explore any of the destinations we've mentioned? Or perhaps you're considering a visit in the near future? We'd love to hear about your experiences and plans in the comments section below. And don't forget to show your support for our channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Your interaction fuels TrailTrove's growth, allowing us to connect with more fellow travelers and adventurers like yourself. All good? Let's get going. Bagan, Myanmar. Imagine a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Ancient temples rising like mystical guardians from the vibrant green plains below. These awe-inspiring structures, crafted by the skilled hands of Bagan's kings between 1057 and 1287, stand as a testament to a bygone era of grandeur and spirituality. With over 2,000 Buddhist monuments dotting the landscape, Bagan offers a truly enchanting archaeological wonderland that's sure to leave visitors spellbound. Cappadocia, Turkey. Venture to a realm of wonder where nature's artistic hand has crafted a landscape that seems plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel. Cappadocia's surreal moonscape, sculpted by ancient volcanic eruptions, is adorned with towering rock formations and hidden caves, each one a testament to the Earth's extraordinary creative power. It's a destination that defies belief and invites explorers to journey into the extraordinary. Tahaa, French Polynesia. Prepare to be transported to a fragrant paradise unlike any other. Tahaa, affectionately known as the Vanilla Island, invites you with its lush valleys teeming with tropical fruits and intoxicating aroma of vanilla. But this island isn't just a feast for the senses. It's also a haven for nature lovers. Trek through its verdant landscapes, where every step reveals a new discovery of diverse flora and fauna, and immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of this exotic oasis. Easter Island, Chile. Picture a remote paradise hundreds of miles away from mainland Chile. Easter Island is a dream destination for many travelers, despite its small size of just 63 square miles. Here, you'll uncover a diverse landscape, featuring volcanoes, pristine beaches, and even roaming wild horses. But what truly captivates visitors are the enigmatic Moai statues, also known as the Easter Island heads, scattered across the island. These ancient stone guardians have puzzled explorers and archaeologists for centuries, adding to the island's mystical allure. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Nestled along the stunning Adriatic Sea, Croatia offers a slice of exotic charm, with Dubrovnik stealing the spotlight as its crowning jewel. Enclosed within ancient walls, Dubrovnik's old town, often dubbed the Pearl of the Adriatic, feels like a living museum, brimming with rich history and architectural wonders. Stroll along its marble streets, adorned with Baroque churches and charming cafes, and you'll feel transported back in time. Whether you're sipping coffee at a quaint cafe or exploring the city's iconic walls, Dubrovnik promises an unforgettable vacation experience steeped in cultural heritage. Forest of Knives, Madagascar. Venture to Madagascar, an island off the coast of South Africa, and discover the awe-inspiring Forest of Knives, locally known as 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧. These towering limestone formations, shaped by millions of years of tropical rainfall erosion, create a surreal landscape unlike anywhere else on Earth. Despite its name, this mystical forest sways with life, with thriving wildlife and rich vegetation growing amidst the jagged rocks. It's proof to the breathtaking beauty and resilience of nature, offering visitors a truly exotic and unforgettable adventure. Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, Japan. Nestled on the outskirts of Kyoto lies the mesmerizing Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, a place of pure enchantment and tranquility. Towering bamboo stalks sway gently in the breeze, creating an otherworldly atmosphere that leaves visitors spellbound. As you wander through this serene sanctuary, you'll encounter ancient shrines, playful monkeys, and a sense of awe that transcends words. It's a destination where nature and spirituality intertwine, inviting you to immerse yourself in its timeless beauty and find solace amidst the towering bamboo groves. These exotic destinations are just a glimpse of the wonders our planet has to offer. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, marveling at natural wonders, or soaking in the vibrant cultures of distant lands, there's no shortage of adventures waiting to be had. Feel free to comment a destination you'd like us to cover next. Support TrailTrove by clicking like, subscribe, and the notification bell icons. Share this video with a friend because experiences are even more thrilling when enjoyed together.